I'm sure you don't, but just in case you do, or you have played tricks on your cat, including playing cat noises to your cats, carry on watching. If you've watched a few of my videos, by now you'll understand that cats are very, very territorial. So by you playing cat noises to your cat, this is going to really confuse them and make them panic and think that there's another cat in their environment, and that can end up with a reactive cat. It could be that they get stressed, they get anxiety, they get aggressive. So I came across this search, you know, play this noise to cuddle with your cat, or play this noise to get your cat to come up to you. And I couldn't believe what I was seeing, that these videos actually exist.